with some amazing activity. We are going to do doodling. Yes, my dear children. Do you all love cupcakes, your favorite juices, strawberries, donuts, pizza? Right? So today we are going to do food doodle art. Okay? Do you all want to see what are we going to make? Here it is. Oh my, it's looking so cute, isn't it? So come on children, what are we waiting for? Let's doodle up. So I am going to shift the camera towards the workstation. So we have just made this different doodle art today and it's looking really pretty, right my dear children? So now what are you going to do? Hold this masterpiece in your hand, click good pictures and share the pictures with us on social media. You can submit your work on my feed section as well and hope to see you soon in the next class. So did you enjoy? Yes, thank you for joining. See you all soon. And remember, Komal ma'am loves you a lot. Bye everyone. Just enjoy doodling. Bye bye.